Good news, for UiPath has been recognized as a leader in the 2025 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Robotic Process Automation (RPA) research report for the 7th consecutive year. The company was positioned highest for ability to execute, demonstrating its strong capabilities in the RPA market. The Magic Quadrant evaluates 13 RPA vendors, providing enterprises with a comprehensive assessment to make informed decisions about their automation needs. According to Gartner, the RPA market has reached a pivotal inflection point, with AI innovations introducing alternatives to traditional deterministic RPA technologies. The rise of enterprise automation platforms, such as business orchestration and automation technologies (BOAT), is also transforming the market. UiPath's agentic automation platform is well-positioned to capitalize on these trends, providing an open and trusted platform that enables advanced orchestration by seamlessly integrating agents, robots, and people. Mark Jean, SVP and General Manager of AI Products at UiPath, emphasized the significance of RPA in laying the groundwork for automation and its role in the agentic automation revolution. He highlighted UiPath's strengths in providing accurate and reliable automation tools, as well as its platform's ability to integrate with core operational systems and enable true agentic workflows. The UiPath platform includes a range of capabilities like generative AI, NLP, process orchestration, API integration, process and task mining, intelligent document processing, low-code application development, and application testing. It can be deployed on-premises, in the cloud, or in a hybrid environment, providing flexibility and scalability for enterprises. Recently, UiPath announced enhancements to its platform, including UiPath Maestro, a new orchestration layer that provides centralized oversight and optimization capabilities for complex processes. The platform also features controlled agency, ensuring trusted AI agents operate within clearly defined guardrails, and UiPath Agent Builder, a guided workspace for building, testing, and deploying AI agents. Additionally, UiPath's open, multi-agent framework allows for seamless integration with third-party agent frameworks, and its intelligent extraction and processing (IXP) capability unlocks enterprise data by bringing together document understanding, communications mining, and generative extraction. This recognition builds on UiPath's progress, such as our collaboration with Deloitte to deliver a blueprint for AI-driven ERP modernization through the Customer Zero initiative. This project involved migrating UiPath's ERP system to SAP S/4HANA, leveraging intelligent, agentic automation to enhance operational efficiency and scalability. The initiative aimed to set a new benchmark for ERP modernization by embedding automation technologies such as robotic process automation, RPA, intelligent document processing, IDP, and AI-powered orchestration into the transformation process. The project was driven by UiPath's need to address challenges stemming from rapid business growth and increasing global demands. The company's existing ERP system was fragmented, with manual billing cycles and complex multi-gap reporting processes limiting speed and scalability. By adopting an automation-first approach, UiPath was able to streamline SAP data migration, improve system integrations, and eliminate manual bottlenecks across core finance operations. The results of the transformation are notable, with over 200 automations delivered across core processes, 85% of critical finance workflows executed by unattended automations, and a 93% clean core achieved. This exceeds the industry benchmark of 80%, minimizing technical debt and enabling agile upgrades. Additionally, 60% of test cases were automated, reducing business user fatigue and accelerating time to deployment. The collaboration between UiPath and Deloitte demonstrates the potential of automation to drive enterprise reinvention. According to Jerry Hoberman, U.S. SAP offering leader at Deloitte, agentic capabilities are essential to deliver automation-driven ERP outcomes. Hitesh Ramani, Chief Accounting Officer and Deputy CFO of UiPath, added, "Our work with Deloitte demonstrates that automation isn't just an enabler, it's a catalyst for enterprise reinvention." The Customer Zero initiative paves the way for agentic ERP, where AI agents autonomously manage complex enterprise workflows, orchestrate decisions across SAP and non-SAP systems, and engage humans only when needed. This future state architecture, powered by UiPath Maestro, promises to deliver autonomous handling of routine decisions and exceptions, seamless coordination between AI, robots, and humans, and a scalable foundation for continuous process innovation and agility. Mihai IV, CIO of UIPath, emphasized that agentic ERP is not just a vision, it's the logical next step in the evolution of enterprise systems. The UiPath Customer Zero transformation offers a proof point for enterprises seeking to modernize their ERP systems with speed, intelligence, and minimal disruption. By placing agentic automation at the center of its ERP program, UiPath and Deloitte have redefined how organizations can modernize and future-proof their operations. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.